Here we are going to find out the duplicate records in this table. So this is a table. Uh, this table name is WID 142020, and these are the record of this table. So let us find out the duplicate rows or records in the table using self join operation. So let us take a MySQL query, run this MySQL query. Okay. So in this query, uh, uh, select e1 dot name, e1 dot case number, e1 dot khasra number. Okay, uh, from from this table e1 and join table name e2. The e1 or e2 here is the temporary name of this table. Okay, so so these are the temporary name of this table e1 or e2, and this join keyword is we are going to perform the self join operations on this table. So a self join is a database operation that involves joining a table with itself. So you can use self join to compare between records in the same table. This can be useful for finding duplicate or similar records in the table. Okay, so so when we perform the self join operation, it has some certain conditions. So these are the certain conditions: first conditions, second condition, and the third condition. So in this example, the self join operation retrieve the records from the table only uh, these three conditions satisfy. These three conditions satisfy. Okay, these three conditions satisfy matlab all three conditions must be true. Okay, the self join operation retrieve the records only when these three conditions are true, will be true. Okay, the the first conditions is valid when both name are same. Okay, the name of e1 equal to name of e2, the case number of e1 equal to case number of e2, but the id of the e1 must not be equal to id of e2, because the id is a primary key. Id is a prime attributes. A prime attributes contain the primary key. So that's why any two instances has not same id. Okay, so there will be no same id in any table. Okay, so when all three conditions true, the self join retrieves the record from the table, otherwise does not do anything. Okay, so run this code. Okay, so here we have no we have not found the same uh, instances in this table. Okay, let us take another modify SQL query. So run this my SQL query. Okay, so we have got the empty set. This empty set indicate there is no redundancy in this table. That means the we have not found any duplicate record in the table. Okay, uh, please like and share this video. Please subscribe. Thank you.